Okay, assalamu alaikum. If you are seeing CBC for anemia, then don't scroll down. If HB count is low, then look for MCV. MCV value if low, that is less than 80, then it is microcytic anemia, and if it is high, that is more than 100, then it is macrocytic anemia, and if it is between 80 to 100, then it is normocytic anemia. In low MCV count, the cause may be iron deficiency, thalassemia, and anemia of chronic disease. First of all, rule out anemia if there is anemia due to chronic disease. So, after ruling that, the most common reason would be iron deficiency. So, iron deficiency you can see in the patient cholinekia and angular stomatitis. And you can also see RAW is less than 15, then it is iron deficiency anemia. And for confirmation, go for iron profile. Then come to the second thing, that is thalassemia. If the thalassemia is although a rare disease, but it is present in the younger patient and MCV by RBC is less than 14. For confirmation, you can go for electrophoresis. Then come for MCV high value, that is macrocytic anemia and megaloblastic anemia, and it would be due to vitamin B12 and folate, liver disorder, pernicious anemia, etc. So, for first of all, rule out liver disorder. If the patient is alcoholic, you can easily diagnose and see by taking the history the person is alcoholic, or if he is not alcoholic, then also see in the non-alcoholic patient you can see MCV high value. And if vitamin B12 and folate is present, then you can see some neurological disorder is present in the patient, like tingling sensation, mood disturbance, serum B12 is less. These all are present. Then if the patient is having pernicious anemia, then always ask the patient history about previous gastric surgery or long-term chronic gastritis. So it is all in the high MCV value. Then come to the normocytic anemia. Normocytic anemia is there, and you cannot rule out what to happen, what kind of anemia is having. Then go for reticulocyte count. If it is less, then it is due to blood loss, and if it is high, then it is due to aplastic anemia. Thanks for watching.